In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check word count in Affinity. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the live word count and how to make the most of it while you work. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer. Once the app is running, make sure you have a document open with some text in it, whether that's a paragraph in a text frame or a block of copy you're refining. The word count feature is most useful when there's text to measure, and it updates as you type, so having content visible will help you confirm it's working right away. Next, head to the very top of the screen and click the View tab. This is the menu that controls what you see in the interface, from guides and grids to on-screen information that helps you design more confidently. If you're on macOS, this will appear in the menu bar at the top of your display. On Windows, you'll find it at the top of the app window. Inside the View menu, look for the Show section and click it. Think of this as a list of visibility toggles. These options don't change your document, they simply turn helpful overlays and indicators on or off so you can focus on the details that matter. Now, enable word count. When you select this option, Affinity will display a running total of words associated with your text content. It's a simple toggle so you can switch it on when you're drafting or editing copy and turn it off later if you prefer a cleaner workspace. After you enable it, you'll see the word count appear in the bottom left corner of the window. That area is part of the status bar, which is designed to give you quick, at-a-glance information without getting in the way. The number will refresh automatically as you type, paste, or delete text, so you can stay within a target length without constant manual checks. If you're not seeing it right away, make sure you have some text present and that nothing is covering the bottom edge of the interface. A few quick tips to get more from this view. Keep an eye on the count while drafting headlines and captions where space is limited. Use it to hit brief requirements and style guides. And remember, you can toggle it off the same way if you want to declutter your screen. That's all there is to it. Open Affinity Designer, go to View, choose Show, enable word count, and watch the live total in the bottom left as you work. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.